Hello friends, many congratulations on the day of Vijay Dashami, the day which is generally known for victory of good over evil, and a day to start new works and resolves. As usual, this is your friend Sharmaji trying to connect the world of work, the world with Jyotish knowledge. Whatever small God given, I have to share with you. Our respects to parents and teachers whom have brought us to this stage. Today, friends, let us see what is the work aspect in society. As you know, there are four important aspects that are necessary for development of any society. They are the legislature, executive, judiciary, and media. Media is the fourth estate. It is more important in as per just like as the other things also in this present day of media. Legislature or any work or any media is dependent basically when you see the foundations, how they operate. Every subject in this world or in this life of us directed by the creation is guided by the planets. That is why we always see the world through the lens of Jyotish. Friends, there are 12 signs, 12 types of psychologists, you can say broadly. As per the divisions in the zodiac, we will go from Aries and we will be covering up to about the first four, in the order of the materials and the representations given to us by the divine. If we understand these four materials, then the same process will be repeating in 3 cycles for the total 12 houses. So first one is Mesha or Aries, which is a changing sign. That means the resolve can be changing. It is a ruler class. That means a kingly type of psychology. And it is a fiery sign, which shows leadership, purity, and the aspect of righteousness. But any person born in Aries, Mesha, if we is talking about work, it should be supported by the 9 planets also. This applies to all the other materials and signs we are going to talk now. The house is changing, but the 10th house is the work, house of work. It is called Rajasthana. The 10th bhava is Capricorn, which is Makara Rashi, which is also changing. That is why when the ascendant is changing, the work is also of the same property, which is changing. Then the quality of Makara Rashi is tamasic, and it is a worker class. Though born in a Kshatriya, kingly type, but the work is in a worker class. So they can be masons, carpenters, electricians, this sort of people. And the Capricorn, Mars is exalted, that is noted for adamant pursuit of their own policies. That is what Mars is, and a passion. passionate for the work, go-getters. The second one is you have to see the psychology of the workers and the work through this angle. As the rider, so the horse, isn't it? Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Then the second one category is a worker class in Vrishabha Taurus, which is lauded by, say, Venus. The first one is Mars, fast and anger-ridden. Responsibilities, of course, there. It's a male sign, the Aries. And the second one is a female sign. It is a fixed one. It is a worker class. And it is Earth. Down to the Earth, practicality is there in this psychologies of Vrishabha. But the 10th house is a trader class of Kumbha or Aquarius, which shows is also a fixed sign, but at a trader class. So give and take spirit, and an airy temperament. So it can be unstable also. So this sort of second type of work is there. The third type of work is based on a male sign, Gemini. Mercury is the ascendant Lord, and the sign is trader class, and it is tamasic. Of course, Taurus is Rajasic. Kindly note, when there is Rajasic ascendant, the work attitude will be more. Rajo Ragatmakam Buddhi. That means too much of relations and too much of emotional attachment. The Gemini or the Airy class is a bird sign. It's a trader class. But the 10th, the work is connected to a Sattva Sattvic sign, Pisces, Guru sign, which is also jewel, like the ascendant. That means go with all attitude, which stands for magnanimity, righteousness, the house of work, Pisces, and it is a watery sign, sensible. So there are government people and the politicians coming from Aries, less from Vrishabha Rasi, but more also from Midhuna. Even film producers, media people, judges from Midhuna and Rasi. Then we'll go to the last one, which is Karkataka or Cancer. This is a changing sign. It is a Sattvic sign. It is a watery sign. That means sensible. And the 10th house for Cancerians is connected with a Kshatriya, a kingly Mesha, which is also changing and is fiery in temperament. So these sort of psychologies are there, found in society. Not only this, as we have told earlier, the type of planets in the 12 houses of a horoscope makes the other qualities, the rise and fall, the steady growth, and the managerial skills, executive skills, the faithfulness in work, the excellence in work. All these things are coming out of the arrangement of the 9 planets in the horoscopes of the individuals. There is a personality level at the initial stage and the individuality at the later stage. The personality level, when people are in the college days, school days, early earning, then if there are any social motives and the social directions from the planets in the kundalis or the horoscopes, then one will go to individuality. And the third one is into group level. Like, say a filmy group or a spiritual group or a political group, something like that, led by the leaders. Then what is the legislature? Let us talk a few about legislature. Legislature are the powerhouses of making, like village panchayats, mandal revenue offices. I am coming from the bottom. Then district collector, then the state legislature, assembly, council, and the country parliaments, legislative houses. So these sort of things which they give us the direction, the overall direction, how a country or a state or a mandal should be run, in combination with the prevailing situation and the upcoming future of a country, the basic environment and the nativity of the country, the history, the development, all these things will be taken into account. Then what is the other pillar is judiciary. Sorry, executive might be the second one. The executive plans the work. It takes the recruitment of people who work, take the resources, like say for example in building a government secretariat, the sand, cement, the materials, water required, the land, the workers, the contracts that are to be given. Based on the legislation, the executive also will work. The people in the secretariat, the government clerks, they issue contract orders, they make the bidding, and the quality control, the way the building is completed, the quality control check, the cost effectiveness of the making of the building, the norms for the working of the workers, their welfare, their safety, all these sort of things. If it is a public projects like bridges and roads, what are the issues regarding the maintenance? For that, what are the road taxes, toll taxes to be corrected, etc. So forth. If it is a hospital, what are the type of safety measures and the medical practices, something like that. Or in the transport, construction of an airport. This is the executive. Then the judiciary. So here, of course, we are completing the 4 pillars. Let us complete it. The judiciary. Judiciary is the judges and the lawyers, the courts, district court, high court, supreme court, or apex court, what they call it, and the family courts for the family conflicts. That solve the problems of socio-economic nature with the legislature and executive as well. They deal with the other 2 things. The rules that are passed by the legislature, the work that is done by the legislative will be, if some complaints are given by some sections of society, it will be taken up and resolved. This is judiciary. The legislature, executive, judiciary, and even media also, they are all supposed to work with the ideals of the development of socio-economic needs. Not only socio-economic, socio involves spiritual also, spiritual and peaceful and a happy coexistence and development in society. The fourth estate, of course, is media, whose duty is to report the malpractices, the wrong ways people adopt in doing work, and the suggestion of various procedures to correct the remedies is also the responsibility of media. All the four pillars of the work have to be responsible, accountable for the money that is spent, and for the environment also, for the sustenance and maintenance of an environment and health of the citizens. So, for example, if you take a road, we lack the proper roads in developing countries. The developed countries, of course, they have got facilities. Developing countries, what sort of roads we have? Dusty roads, roads with ups and downs, roads nowadays formed with a temporary life for the sake of earning of the contractors, roads that are not up to the international standards, road margins and the drainage facilities, the strength of the road, the durability of the road, whether it is a proper survey of the land, whether the land is feasible for a construction of a nice road or not. If not, what are the remedial measures they should take? Because the direction of the road cannot be altered so easily. So this sort of work attitude has to be kept at heart by all these four pillars. But what are the planets, friends, for these four? Legislature: Sun, Venus, Mercury, Saturn. All these four planets, they work for legislature of politicians and the lawmakers. What are the planets for executives? Saturn, Mercury, Rahu. Rahu is for authority. Mercury is for business. Communication. Basic communication is an important indeed, isn't it? So Rahu for authority, status in work, Mercury for communication, Venus for money, are all in Mooladhara, the basic chapter of our life. For a basic infrastructure, safety like food, shelter, health, peaceful and spiritually awakened method of life till we breathe the last. So that is what Mooladhara is. That is what the four pillars are supposed to do. For the executive, we told Saturn is the chief karaka for work. Rahu, Mercury, business once again there. Venus is of course money and management also, and Sun also. Don't forget Sun. Sun is for politics and Sun is for administration. Even in legislature also we might have missed the Sun. But then the judiciary, primarily it is Guru, the planet that comes here. Guru is righteousness, light, wisdom to pull the people onto the right track. And it is of course supported by knowledge of Sun, Mercury, Saturn, connected with masses. And Rahu, the mismanipulation of the status or power of position. And lastly, media. Media is also with the same four planets, Rahu. They have to fight with officials and the status, Rahu. Mercury for business, Sun for administration and politics, and Shani work. Shani is also, it can be applicable for all the four in the world. Renunciation, spoiling of the work, what you call hatred, deep-rooted planning for bad, for good and bad. All these things make the movement of step by step, inch by inch movement of our legs and mind and hands. So this is the type of work involved. If the parties are towing to their own line, mostly what will be the development of the country and the states? What amount of mismanagement of the funds, public funds? What about the safety and the health of the individuals, the harsh environment, the temperatures, the increasing temperatures? So one should think that too much of democracy and too much of the urge for earning money, quick buck, has spoiled the world. So we have to have wisdom, God fear. God is nothing but righteousness and love, patience. So let us organize through Jyotish, as Veda tells, Sahana Bhavatu, Sahanao Bhunaktu. Let us live together and let us eat together. That is what the social responsibility that is delivered to us by Veda. With these few words, I take leave of you and come back with another topic. Until such time, have a nice look into your personality, and may we meet again for a meaningful discussion on some other topic of society, reconstruction. Thank you.